Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll discuss about tuple. In previous video, I have discussed about a list and the basic operation of list. In the same way, we will discuss here about tuples. So let's open Notepad. Tuple in Python. Tuple in Python. Okay. So what is tuple? Tuple is a data structure where we can store the element in an ordered way and the element is indexed ways. So we can say ordered, tuple is ordered, ORDERD, ordered, and indexed, INDEXED, and tuple is immutable. So immutable, immutable. So we have discussed mutable. List is mutable and tuple is immutable. Immutable means we can't modify. We cannot modify. MODI. We cannot modify. Okay. And the next one is tuple also allow duplication. Allow ALLO. Allow duplication. Allow duplication. Okay. And the main important thing that is generally asked in the interview, that is difference between tuple and list. Tuple and list. So the main difference, based on that we can take various points, but the main difference is that tuple is immutable and list is mutable. TUPLE tuple. क्या है? What is tuple? Tuple is immutable. Tuple is immutable and list is mutable. Okay, so this is the main difference. And if we talk about syntax is T1 equals to, see, this is the empty tuple, and T2 equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the integer element of tuple. So okay, and if we talk about indexing, this is one of the important feature of Python in indexing. Based on index, how can we retrieve the element? So index, INDEX, index. As we know, this is the two way we can move the element, in the positive way and in negative way. So positive index and negative index. This is the same as list. So let's open the PyCharm and make one Python file, that is tuple operation. TU. So let's take one example. T1 equals to see here VDS TECH comma LAVS labs PYTHON Python comma 1 comma 23. So this is the tuple, and we can print this one by using print command. Print T1. We will use shortcut CTRL Shift F10. It is printed. Now we can apply, we can retrieve the element based on the index. So let's start index, INDEX, index. So print T1, and let's suppose we want to print the element at the index number 4. So print, so that is 1. So see, we can see here, as we have discussed in the list one. This is at 0th position, this is at first position, this is at second position, and this is at third, and this is at fourth position, and this is fifth position. Okay, and if we talk about negative index, this is the positive index. Okay, this is the positive index. Okay, and if we talk about negative index, so just come out and see, here it is -1, -1, -2, okay, -3, -4, -5, and this is -6. Okay, so if we print negative index, print P1 and -2, so at the -2 it is 1. Let's take -3, -3, this is Python, so CTRL Shift F10, see, this is Python. Okay, so this is the positive and negative index. And now if we talk about range of index, so let's suppose print and T1, and we take 5:1. So what it will take, what it will print, let's suppose, see, it will print, I think, empty, because we have started from 5, and from 5 there is no element. Okay, and if we 1:5, then it will print, see, 1 up to 5, so it will include, it will start from 1 up to n-1, I mean up to 4th, so it will print from, it will print this one. Okay, if see, this will print this one, so starts from 1 and up to n-1, 4th. So let's print this one, CTRL Shift F10, see, this one, tech labs, sorry, so 0, 1, it will print this one. Okay, I have copied at the position of 0, no, so tech labs Python 1. Okay, so I can remove this one. Okay, so this is the range, and we can also specify the negative range also. So print T1, the negative range is minus, let's suppose take -3, -1. So see what it will print, -3 to -1. Okay, -3 to -1. Let's first print this one. Okay, then we analyze what it will print. Python and 1. So -3 and -1, -3, -1. See, it's also take the same way in this direction, -3, -2, -1, and -1 in the I mean, if we keep in mind -1, it will take n-1th position. Okay, so -3 and include -3 and exclude -1. Okay, so Python and 1. So this is the range of negative. And see how to check immutability. Check immutability. How to check? And let's suppose we want to T1 at the position of, at the second index, we want to something tuple. So if we run, then it will show error. What? Type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Means we cannot modify tuple once it is created. But there is a workaround. If we convert this tuple into list, So how can we convert? T2 equals to list of T1, Now we can modify here T2 equals to tup. Now if we run, so run this one, see it prints, and now we print T2, and it will see it is converted into list, and now we can tup is there. Okay, and in the same way, for the better analyzing point of view, we also print T1. Okay, so see, this will convert it into list. So there is workaround, but we cannot modify tuple once it is created. Okay, so that's all about in this video. So far we have discussed tuple in Python. This is ordered and indexed, immutable, we cannot modify, allow duplicacy, difference between tuple and list, this one, and syntax is this, and the index wise how can we retrieve the element. So that's all about in this video, and if you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get instant update. Thank you. Thanks a lot.